This is question number 16 of the second midterm exam. Suppose in a competitive industry, the market supply curve is P equals 5 plus Q. At the price of 10, producer surplus equals. So for this type of question, to calculate consumer surplus, producer surplus, or sometimes deadweight loss, I think it's a good idea to draw a picture. So let me do that here. So this is the price line, price axis, and this is the quantity and price. So the supply curve is we write down here P equals 5 plus Q. So drawing this in this graph, first this should be a straight line because this is a linear function, and second, for a straight line, if we pinpoint 2 points, then we can draw that line. So let's make the first point to be when Q equals 0, then P equals 5. Yeah, my drawing is not very beautiful, but I just want to show you how to do this. So this is 5, and so then when Q equals 5, so it's not very then P, when Q equals 5, then P equals 10, so this is 10. So that's my second point. So the question is, if price equals 10, what is the producer surplus? So price equals 10, that's basically this 10. We just draw the second point here. So why don't I use another color? And the supply curve is here. So the producer surplus, we know that's the area between the price and the marginal cost curve. And for competitive firm in the short run, the marginal cost curve actually is the same as the supply curve. So basically, we can also write this as the MC curve. So now the question, putting the question into the graph here, it's basically asking what's the area of this triangle, because that's the area in between the price and the marginal cost curve. So this is a triangle because the supply curve actually is a straight supply line. So to calculate the area of the triangle, we basically can use the two. One is the length of the bottom. Here is 10 minus 5, and another variable we need is the height. That's also 5. So the area should be producer surplus should be 5 times 5 and divided by 2. That's the area of a triangle. So it's 25 over 2, which equals 12.5. So now let's go back to the setup, choose this answer, and check our answer. Your input is correct. So again, for this type of question, producer surplus, consumer surplus, deadweight loss, I think it's a good idea to draw a graph, and so you can see very clearly what you are trying to calculate.